Okay, after a couple hours of tear out time, about an hour this morning and an hour now, I have all the rotted material ripped out. And what I'm going to do now is clean up all this rotted material, sweep up, probably even remove some of that paint down there because I'm going to repaint when I'm done. And then I'm going to grab some more insulation because even though this is a porch, it's not insulated. There was some insulation in here, and since I have it opened up, I may as well insulate. So I may as well insulate all these different areas and have it be done. Then I'm going to grab some, I think this is 3/4 inch here. I think I need a 3/4 inch piece here. So I'm going to grab some 3/4. They only had in 5/8 of the Homaso, the black stuff, kind of a fiber board. And I'm not going to do that. I want solid. I knew this was an issue when I nailed the moldings on. There was nothing to hit. You didn't hit much. So once I insulate all this, then I'll have a nice board here, and then there will be one more board, and then there will be the molding. Or maybe I'm wrong on that one. One board, then the molding. But I will have a spacer here. Okay, so there will be 3 instead of 2 once I do that. So that'll give me some good nailing, good solid. This window really did not take much abuse. I mean, it did up there, well, from about here over, but I ripped the rest out because it's just easier to put the whole piece in. This window is solid. This one took the abuse and lost a bunch of support over here. So I'll have to cut a board here. I wish I could take this whole thing out. And maybe I can, I don't know, we'll see. If I can, I'll take this whole board out, put a new one in, and then I'll be able to maybe even fill this part up so I have good solid wood to nail to. We'll see, although this one's pretty solid. It's this one's still in good shape. Fortunately, the water went by it. The window itself, I was a little afraid. I mean, it took some abuse right here, but it must have been pretty good wood because it did not seem to be damaged anyplace else. So I think we're good there. I was worried I'd have to remake a window. So first, clean up. Then I'm going to pack any of these openings with insulation. Get a mask on because I got some fiber. And then I will grab some boards, see what I need right here to build this out even here, and then we'll start building from here up to a nice filler board in there, I envision, and then another board. So it's going to be more lumber, but it's going to be much better for nailing, solider, and we should not have water coming down on this anymore. And if we do, I'll go up there and put some Gecko along the aluminum, but I'm quite sure it's not coming over here anymore. And then once we put our roof on here, that's it. There will be no more water touching this. Okay, clean up time, then insulate, and then figure out how to put the first piece on. Got a little bit more time, so let's get going.